Good morning, everybody. This is Kathy from katzelcreate, and I am coming on today with a update on my giveaway challenge and a little chit chat video. So I do want to apologize for my voice. My voice has been off these past few videos. I thought I was sick with the cold, but it could be a combination of a cold and allergies. I don't think my allergy medication is helping anymore. Um, I can feel it in my throat. It feels like asthma at the same time. So I'm hoping I'm not getting anything else. I live in an area where it's full of trees. The past 3 weeks, it's been pollen galore, like pollen on the cars. You should see the cars are green, full of pollen. So me and my son have been pretty sick, and he's taken, as I have, cold medication and allergy medication, and it's not helping. So don't know, might turn into something different. Might be just that the allergy is too strong, that medication's not helping. So basically, I just wanted to apologize for my voice, for the way I'm not making my videos. I do apologize for all that. So continuing on now with the update on my giveaway challenge. It is my 1-year birth anniversary, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you this really quick. You must be 18 years or older. I don't want to have children reach out to me, because I don't want to be responsible for anything. Like, no. A visible subscriber, just be a visible subscriber. It doesn't mean that you have to make videos. By no means do you have to be making any videos. You might think that you don't have a YouTube account, but if you're commenting on our videos, you actually have a YouTube account. And that was actually pointed out by one of my subscribers, that she wasn't even aware that she had a YouTube account. So yeah, so just be a visible subscriber. Like I said, you don't have to be making videos or anything like that, just as long as you are subscribed to my channel, and that's it. So here's the rest of the information. Okay, so it is my like I said, my YouTube birth anniversary. It's my first year here at YouTube, and I just wanted to celebrate with you guys. What I'm really requesting is a memory dex card. That's the basic thing that you need to enter my giveaway. Just with your basic information, your date of birth, name, your YouTube user or YouTube channel, your likes, your dislikes, your mailing address, and your email. The reason I'm asking for the email address and the mailing address is because, like, I myself, I am going to be moving. I was just told yesterday that we're probably not going to move till October. Not how I had expected, but we'll see. Anyways, I do want to start and sending out random act of kindness. I want to, send stuff out to my subscribers. So this is going to be a way that I have a record of who my subscribers are, and just, appreciate them. That's the way I want to appreciate them. Send them a few things. It might not be a big box. It might be just something small, but it's just a way of saying thank you for your support. So for additional entries, for additional points and entries, it's not required, but it's an option. So basically do a VR, which is a video response video. Plain back toppers, like I said, plain back toppers, 6 to 8 of them. That's all I need. Die cut back toppers, 6 to 8. That's all. And these are all each additional points. Embellished back toppers, I'm asking for 3 to 4. I know they take a long time. They're very time consuming. So that's why, I'm request for the embellished back toppers. It's just the 3 to 4. It's up to you. And a loaded envelope, and that's just for additional points. So my email, hopefully you can see it. It is katzelcreate yahoo.com. Try not to put an S at create, because if you put katzelcreates, it's going to be a demon failure. So just be aware, it's katzelcreate, no S, at yahoo.com. And I am extending this till the 17th of this coming month, which is May the 17th. And just make sure it's postmarked by May the 17th. And I will have the announcement of my winner the following week. So anyways, and I will show you guys the list of everybody that entered and the points that you guys earned. Okay, and it's not going to be a random YouTube. I think I'm just going to put the numbers in a container and just pull out the number, and that's how my winner is going to be announced. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Do excuse my little rant, and we will see you guys on our next video. And hopefully, you know, if you were thinking that you couldn't enter, you still have an opportunity to enter. Like I said, it's going to be extended to the May the 17th. And for the last minutes, like me, myself, with why I'm always a procrastinator, you have plenty of time still. So thank you guys again, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye.